Welcome to How to Configure Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, in your SmartSimple Cloud system. In this video, we will review what MFA is, the impacts on your organization, and how to configure MFA in your SmartSimple Cloud system. MFA is a digital authentication method that requires users to verify their identity by using two or more pieces of evidence to an authentication mechanism to gain access to your SmartSimple Cloud system. This provides an added layer of protection during the sign-in process. SmartSimple Cloud now supports two different approaches to MFA. One, a time-based one-time password, TOTP, via an authenticator app, and two, opting for a single-use verification code to be sent by email or SMS. TOTP and single-use verification code via email are provided as baseline system functionality and will incur no additional cost. If you would like to make use of SMS for single-use verification code, please contact your account manager, for this will require an additional fee for the handling of SMS. Firstly, we are going to review how to turn on MFA specifically for the time-based one-time password via an authenticator app. First, navigate to your global settings, then your security tab under global settings, security. Then go to password and activation policies, and under authentication options, scroll down, authentication options, toggle on enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. In the settings, role with time-based one-time password, include the roles that you want to enable multi-factor authentication for. Here, we're going to choose one that has been pre-selected. Toggle on the Enable Trusted Device. If you would like users to be able to bypass entering a code for a one-time period after the code has been successfully entered. If enabled, also enter the time period until the authentication bypass expires. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. After this has been configured, when logging in for the first time, users must first download an authenticator application onto their mobile devices. Popular authentication apps include Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. After logging into the system for the first time after TOTP has been activated, on the user's role, the user must first follow these steps. Once the Authenticator app has been installed, the user will opt to show TOTP key and QR code. Use the mobile app to scan the QR code or manually enter the secret key into the app. Once complete, a new device will be added to your list in the app. The mobile app will generate a one-time base verification code. Enter the code into the field labeled Enter Verification Code on the setup page. Then click Submit. This will allow the user into the SmartSimple Cloud system. Here you'll see the user is now able to make changes within their system. If a mobile device associated with the TOTP is misplaced, the TOTP must be reset by a global administrator or by a user in a role with the permission to reset the TOTP for other user roles. To do this, you must click or navigate to the user profile who wishes to have the TOTP credentials reset. Here, we'll go to Menu, People, choose the user you would like to reset the credentials, click on Actions, click on Edit Roles and Access. In the following window, select the button labeled Reset TOTP. Here, it'll give you instructions. Click Yes, and here it'll provide you with an alert. Click OK. To determine which roles can reset TOTP, logged in as a global administrator, in your main menu, click on Roles, click on User Roles, select the role, click Permissions, select the other roles that this role can reset TOTP on behalf, and then click Save. Next, we're going to review the second option of MFA, using single-use verification code for email and SMS. Click on the menu icon, Global Settings, Security tab, Password and Activation Policies, and then scroll down to the section marked Authentication Options. Toggle on Enable Multi-Factor Authentication. You will see additional settings displayed for different authentication methods. Under the role with verification code via SMS or email settings, you will need to decide which roles need to be authenticated via a verification code sent through the email address used for login. Click Save at the bottom of the page to activate the changes. When the user logs in using their email and password, they will be taken to a page where they can click a button labeled Send Code by Email. They will be prompted to enter a verification code that was sent to their email. Here is an example of how an email will be sent to the user. They will be prompted to enter a verification code that was sent to their email. The user must enter the verification code as so into the field and then click Submit to finish authentication and log into the system. Here, the user will be able to access their system and review any outstanding items. For more information, please visit our SmartSimple wiki pages linked in the description below. And that concludes our SmartSimple multi-factor authentication options video.